Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video I am going to talk about how to add SoundCloud to your Discord status. So without any further ado, let's dive into the main topic. First of all, you can see we already in our dashboard panel, and this is the application in our desktop. So here you can see this is our Discord, and here we are going to integrate SoundCloud to our Discord. So for that reason we need to follow some guideline or step to integrate SoundCloud to our Discord server. So first of all, let me give you some overview. So to show what you are listening to on SoundCloud in your Discord status, there is a no direct integration like there is a with Shopify, but you can use third-party tools or manual workarounds. So I hope you understand how it will be work. So first of all, let's talk about first method. Use Permit, most popular app or third-party app to integrate SoundCloud. So it is a free tool. You can see this is our permit.app. It is a free tool that enables Discord rich presence for website like SoundCloud. So here you can see this is our interface. If you want to know further more info, then you can explore further and you will find out how it works. So first of all, how you to set it up. So go on permit.app here, and then you will get this kind of option. Then download and install permit. So here you need to find out where is permit. Just click over here, get permit. Then you can see we have removed the application completely. Now you only need to browse extension, no extra download needed. So here I will use Chrome extension. Just click over here. Thank you. We used to add support to our team and maintain our service to offer you user experience. So here I will go over here and search for extension permit extension. Once I click over here, I will get the option for add permit in our Google Chrome. Just click over here and click on add extension. Then open SoundCloud in your browser. So almost done. So I am going to download or open SoundCloud. Once I open SoundCloud, then I will go over here, and now permit will now detect your activity and show it on your Discord status like listening to track on SoundCloud. So I already have an account over that place. So now click on connect account and it will redirect me to the next page, and here they are asking for authorization. I will click over here, and now you can see we need to be click on next. This way start using permit, and our app has been connected over that place. Now if we listen anything, then we are allowed to see our SoundCloud sound. So let's make sure display current activity as a status message is enabled or not. Just visit your Discord application, then click on setting and click on activity privacy. Just find out where is this activity privacy options. This is the options. Here you can see that our activity privacy option. Then let's see optional customize apparition. You can see here we have all the thing we want. So you can see our display current activity as a status message is open. So I hope the process is complete for you too. I already processed my thing. Now I can easily do whatever I want with SoundCloud. Let's give you some notes. Just take it. This you need to be Discord open, must be. Then you need to be SoundClouds need to be in active browser tab or background tab with permit running. Works only on desktop, not mobile. You need to be remember it. I hope you love this video. If you found out this video is really helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.